Karana koto. So what does a typical Saturday morning looks like for me? Well, it can start off with taking the garbage on the road because on Saturdays it's a rubbish day here in our district or area of Tupapa. I bring the rubbish if no one else in the home brings out our rubbish. I bring it out here, sort it out first, make sure that the right waste is in the right bucket or bin. So let's have a look. Yeah, put it on the side of the road. One bin for the cans, one bin for the plastics. Bit rough there, Joey. So they usually come about 9:30 to take our garbage. So I bring that out, and then time to rig the rubbish around the house. I love doing that because it's quite therapeutic for me. And then so this morning, because I don't have a washing machine anymore, it doesn't work. I need to buy a new one when I win lotto. So I take my washing. I do the clean I wash the ones that I can wash my hands, but most of the other stuff like that's the load of washing I just got from the laundry for $8 a wash. If it's a big one, it's $16. So this morning I had 2 loads of washing, so that's like $16. And already at the start of the week I spent $30 for wash and dry. So it was a big load, so it was double 16 plus 16 to wash and 16 to dry. So this is what I'm doing now, is hang my clothes outside, maximize on the beautiful sunny weather we got going here. Yeah, just use that so when you hang the clothes it comes down, but needs to be pulled up so it goes a bit higher. But I use a stick. See, improvise, that's what it's all about. Use what's around you. And what else do I do? Go inside, tidy up, and if I need to go to town, then I go into town, do a little bit of shopping or whatever. And earlier today I saw that my plants needed water, so I gave them a little bit of water just to wet them so they don't dry up. And sometimes if there's tita over there in my little rubbish heap area, I burn the rubbish, and all the other green waste that I have, I'll just bring it, dump it over here in this corner here. So yeah, what else I do? And yeah, mostly this is my day where I clean the house, do my chores inside, because there's always repo every day, always something to clean, dishes, whatever. Yeah, so mostly in the evenings when I have time, I water my plants, and maybe in the mornings. If I don't do it in the evening, I do it in the morning. Not every day, just when I have the time. What else I do? And then if there's laundry to be folded, then I do the folding. But today's a big day. I need to get this done. I need to get those clothes hung and then pick up my mom. We're going to go to an unveiling for an auntie today, and then we're going to go to whose 80th birthday. Auntie Ma's invited us. Well, actually, she's my cousin, not auntie. So ngā maumuna ko se mai that's her 80th birthday nika, so we're gonna go to that. And then the rest of the day is just at home chilling, relaxing, watching videos or whatever. Yeah, so that's typically my day on a Saturday. It's mostly cleaning, going to town if I need anything in town. And that's me. Bye.